Hey guys, Brian here from Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to walk you through installing our new grab handle on your HD10 Defender. For the first step, we'll go ahead and fasten our billet insert to our sheet metal bracket. You'll use the 1/4-inch button heads located in your hardware kit. Once we get this tight, we'll move on to the next step. For the next step, you'll want to go ahead and sit inside the vehicle to help locate where you want to have your grab handle at. Most people will probably have it right around this area. You want to make sure that you're drilling your holes nice and even so that the grab handle ends up straight and doesn't look wonky once you get it installed. Before you start drilling, you want to be careful of any wires that could be ran inside the roll cage tube, mainly coming down to this front bung where a lot of people run wires for a light bar up on the roof. Once I'm happy with the placement, I'll take our Sharpie and mark our holes so that we can drill them out and prepare for rib nuts. With our holes marked, I'll use our center punch to go ahead and mark the center so that our drill bit doesn't walk around the frame. We'll start with a small pilot bit and work our way all the way up to a 17 30-second drill bit. With our hole stepped up to our 17 30-second, we can now use the rib nut tool to install the rib nuts into the roll cage. You'll use a 13mm socket on the head of the rib nut tool bolt, and you'll hold it with a 9/16 wrench. With our rib nuts installed in the roll cage, we can now use our M8 button head hardware located in the hardware kit and our 5mm Allen. You want to go ahead and start both bolts before you tighten them. Once you have both your button heads started, we'll tighten them up using our 5mm Allen. You want to be sure not to over tighten as you can strip out the rib nut. With all your hardware tight, you're ready to hit the trails and enjoy your new Thumper Fab grab handle on your HD10 Defender.